Hello everyone, it's me Chebi from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a folder with auto-changing app when connected or perform different action in Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, search for one application named as contextual app folder, and the first list you will see one website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here all versions. Just select the latest one. You just scroll down below. You will see here download APK. Just tap on it to download this application. Now just tap on the downloaded application. Click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now opening, it will show you some instructions. You can just read it or you can just skip it. Now you can see the various options you can get. So by default you can see here some options has been added like default. So you can just tap on it and you can select the respective applications, and when you are using a headphone or connected to a headphones, then the respective application will be open. So now let me add my own custom actions. So you can see here the trigger type. You can select the geolocation also, that is the locations or Wi-Fi. So you can select a Bluetooth, charging, calling, time, notifications. So I'll not make it complex by explaining each and every one. So say I select a Bluetooth, that means when I connected to a selected Bluetooth device, right? So I'll just select this Bluetooth and select your respective Bluetooth devices. Whenever your respective devices gets connected, then the application can auto change. Then so I'll just use here my Buds 2 Pro, and now select the applications that you want to make changes. So here let me add one music application and click on this tick mark. You can see here once my Galaxy Buds Pro gets connected, then the respective applications will show up. So now let us test how it really works. So what you need to do is just tap and hold on your respective blank home screen and just select these widgets. Now just swipe up and now you'll see here CAF, that is a contextual app folder. Just tap on it. Now select the widgets and drag it anywhere on your home screen. You can read the instructions or you can just click on skip. So now you can see the default options. So this is the default options and the default application, right? So now let me try to connect Bluetooth devices. So I have selected Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So let me try to connect with this Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and what really happens, let us check. So I have turned on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Finally you can see the application has changed, as you can see here. So let me do it again. So if I disconnect this Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, then what really happens? So you can see here the application inside this folder is automatically changing. So let me try to reconnect with my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So you can see the respective application is showing up. So you can see here, and if I disconnect it, then it will return back to the default options. So by using this application named as contextual app folder, you can easily get a folder with auto changing app when connected or perform different action in Android very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.